Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting our research of Anoa IoT and SaaS Drive, an integrated development platform for IoT. This platform is designed to address the growing needs of IoT ecosystem by improving the scalability and real-time communication between devices. This work has been a collaboration between Mr. Eka Tresna Irawan from Mayer International and myself, Ardi Mardiana from Universitas Majalengka. Introduction to IoT development. The Internet of Things or IoT has revolutionized how we interact with technology, connecting devices across networks to enable smart environment. Today, IoT is transforming industries such as healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, and smart cities by enabling real-time monitoring, automation, and data-driven decision-making. A critical challenge is scalability. As more devices come online, maintaining seamless communication becomes difficult, particularly when multiple devices need to interact simultaneously. Another issue is latency. Many existing systems fail to provide real-time responsiveness. This is where our integrated platform, Anoa IoT and SaaSDrive come in. Anoa IoT is designed to handle the complexity of large-scale IoT systems, ensuring efficient, low-latency communication between devices. SaaSDrive, on the other hand, bridges the gap between developer and IoT hardware, providing the tools needed to develop, manage, and scale IoT applications easily. Together, this platform offers a robust solution that addresses the pressing challenge of scalability and real-time interaction in IoT systems. Anoa IoT Overview. Anoa IoT is an advanced multi-platform designed to simplify the development of IoT applications, addressing many of the challenges developers face when building complex connected systems. The platform's primary goal is to provide seamless interaction between IoT devices and the software applications that manage them, whether it's a simple sensor network or a large-scale industrial automation system. Anoa IoT allows devices and software to communicate in real time efficiently, without the complexity that typically comes with scaling such a system. One of the core features that makes Anoa IoT stand out is ability to manage a real-time communication between devices. In IoT, real-time interaction is critical because many applications require instantaneous responses. Anoa IoT ensures that this communication happens with minimal delay, providing the responsiveness necessary for the types of critical application. In summary, Anoa IoT is more than just an IoT platform. It's a solution that brings efficiency, scalability, and flexibility to IoT development. It ensures real-time communication across devices while maintaining the performance and scalability required to support even the most demanding IoT system. As the IoT landscape continues to grow, platforms like Anoa IoT will play a crucial role in enabling the next generation of smart, connected environment. SaaSDrive Software Development Kit. Now, let's talk about the SaaSDrive Software Development Kit, which play a crucial role in bridging the gap between developer and IoT devices. It provides flexible, developer-friendly interface that simplifies the processes of building real-time interactive IoT applications. One of the key advantages of SaaSDrive is support for multiple programming languages, such as HTML5, JavaScript, and Node.js. This means developers can work with familiar tools and languages, reducing the learning curve and allowing them to quickly create IoT applications without having to dive into complex low-level code. At the heart of SaaSDrive functionality is use of the WebSocket protocol. WebSocket provides a full duplex communication channel over a single TCP connection, meaning that both of client and server can send and receive data simultaneously without delay. By using WebSocket, Subscribe ensure low latency, high-speed communication, so devices can respond instantly to command, whether you are controlling a smart appliance at home or managing an industrial sensor at a factory. Architecture of ANOA IoT. Let's take a closer look at the high-level architecture of ANOA IoT. This architecture has been designed to ensure seamless communication between IoT devices and applications, making it an efficient and flexible platform for developers. On the client side, we have the Subscribe software development kit, which acts as interface for developers. Through Subscribe, developer can write code in various programming languages, then send commands or receive data from IoT devices in real time. The ANOA IoT runtime, which forms the core of the platform, is responsible for managing the complex interaction between software application and the underlying hardware component. It supports multiple communication protocols such as serial, Bluetooth, GPIO, and I2C, making it compatible with a wide range of IoT devices. What's important to note here is the flexibility and adaptability of this architecture. It's designed to support both simple and complex IoT setup, from a single device to a large-scale system with numerous interconnected devices. By using the architecture, development can build a scalable IoT application without worrying about the underlying hardware complexity. In a real-time communication, one of the standout features of this system is a use of WebSocket for real-time communication. WebSocket is a full duplex communication protocol, meaning that both of the server and client can send and receive data simultaneously. This capability is particularly important for IoT applications, which require constant real-time updates for devices to function smoothly. Future improvement. As we move forward with development of ANOA IoT, we recognize the need to evolve beyond the current point-to-point communication model. While the current architecture works well for smaller systems, as IoT deployment grows larger, the need for more sophisticated communication between critical. To address this, we are focusing on transitioning toward a many-to-many communication model, which is better suited for the large-scale IoT ecosystem. Shifting to a many-to-many model, whether through MQTT or the message broker-based system, will significantly improve the scalability of ANOA IoT. It will allow the platform to handle a larger number of devices and interactions while maintaining high responsiveness. Additionally, this shift will improve the overall performance of the platform, reducing potential bottlenecks and ensuring that the system can handle real-time communication across many devices simultaneously. By adopting this more distributed architecture, ANOA IoT will well positioned to meet the demands of modern large-scale IoT deployment. In conclusion, ANOA IoT and Subscribe offer a promising solution for IoT developers, providing a streamlined platform that is both flexible and scalable. While the current system handles real-time communication well for smaller systems, we are excited about the future improvement that will allow us to handle a larger, more complex IoT ecosystem more efficiently. Finally, we would like to extend our thanks to Meyer International Pty Ltd for their sponsorship and support in making this research possible. Thank you for your attention, and we're happy to take any question may you have. Thank you.